All right, for this assignment, I decided to create a fitness facility called FitRec. It would be a fitness facility where you would work out, obviously, and then I would have one, maybe two, depending on how big it gets, registered dietitians on the other side of the facility. So after you work out, you would go see the dietitian and figure out what to eat for your body type and what kind of workouts you're doing or what you want your results to be. Um, our slogan would be something like exercise your body and mind or something like that. Just because you're obviously working out your body and then you go learn about what you need to eat in addition to that. And then the location, I would probably just try and get it somewhere on King Street or maybe over there where Tap Room is somewhere, just to be close to campus and kind of in the middle of everything.